Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to create an Amazon KDP account, then create your US based account, then update your tax information and link your US based account to your Amazon KDP so that you can be able to be publishing to Amazon KDP and earn in dollars so stay with me and remain blessed. So open your KDP account so that you can be able to follow me to enjoy the benefits of Amazon KDP. So go to any browser of your choice and type in Amazon KDP, click on it, then you click on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, then you click on sign up, then you click on create a new KDP account, enter your details, your real details, make sure that the details that you are entering is your real details. Then after that, you input a workable email address. Input email address that is workable. Input email address that is workable. Then after that, you input a password, a strong password. Input a strong password. After that, you click on go or click on create KDP account. Then after that, they will send you an OTP. You copy it and paste it. Then you click on create your Amazon account. Then make sure you read the terms and conditions. Then after that, you click on agree. Then your information is not incomplete, it's not complete. You click on update now. Then input your phone number. Input your phone number. After that, you click on send OTP. They will send you an OTP. Then you copy it and paste it down. After that, you click on continue to continue. Then this is your dashboard. Click on individual as your business type. Then you input your date of birth. Input your date of birth. After that, you input your country: Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, so on and so forth. So this is Nigeria. So you input your legal name, very important. Even if you don't use your legal name to open this your KDP account, make sure that in this particular space you put your legal name, but it's advisable for you to use your legal name in both. So after inputting your name, you put your address. You can just put the address line 1 and leave the as you can see that the address line 2 is optional. So input your address line 1. Then after that, you go to city. Then you know your city, you input your city. Then you input your state. Then for the postal code, you can go to any browser of your choice, then type in this postal code of your area. All these things, they are on the internet. You input your postal code on the internet, you can get it there. Then I have gotten mine, put it there. Then you put your phone number, a workable phone number, the one that this one is very important, also important. Then you click on go. Then you save, very important, save before leaving the platform. So this is, then you go for your bank details. You go to grade.com in your Play Store, then install it. After installation, I'm using grade.co. Then click on create account. Input all the details the first name, middle name, last name, your email address. Your first name is your first name. Now you know your surname is your last name, so you input your email address, then you input your phone number. Make sure the details that you are using will correspond with your Amazon KDP. If it doesn't correspond, your account is just as useless as ever. You cannot be able to open again. So you enter a strong password. In this password, we are going to make use of alphabets, numbers, and character. That is special characters. So they will send you a verification code. Copy it, then you paste it there. You copy and paste, then click on verify account. Then you finish up your setup. You are going to finish up, enter all the details there. Then you upload your utility bill. That is your NEPA bill, the one we call NEPA bill. You upload it there. Then you put your date of birth. All these things, there are things that you can be able to do by yourself. Then occupation, you can just write writer or freelancer. Then purpose of account, you know what to do. So verify any document you have. I'm using NIN. So follow the step. You can get your account information. So create your USD account. So you have gotten your account information. Go to Amazon KDP and click on add account. Then you click on US states. Then go to your grade.co. You input everything according to paste it. Copy and paste. Don't cram, and copy and paste. Then all these things, routing number, the wire routing is the same thing as the routing number. Input it there, then add. Then after that, you have updated your information. Then go to complete task information. Enter as individual. No. Are you a citizen? No. Are you acting? No. You click on no. Then this is your information. You edit if there's any mistake. So everything no. So you enter your country, Nigeria. Enter your country. So click on I have none. Just unclick everything. Then you sign your signature. Then you click on save and preview. Then you are good to go. Submit form. Then exit interview, and your account is ready. You are ready to be a writer and a publisher in Amazon KDP. Welcome on board. Stay with me.